Hi, I'm Shane Vaughn with Balihoo, and I'm here to introduce a new and growing segment of online marketing known as the local web. Now, this concept should be particularly important to national brands who sell through local outlets like dealers, VARs, distributors, retailers, or franchisees, as it really represents the last mile of marketing communication with your potential customers. Consider for a moment the typical customer life cycle. The national brand generally owns the front end of this cycle: awareness, interest, and consideration. But as the customer moves deeper into preference and purchase, this is when the role of the local outlets becomes increasingly important. And interestingly, this interaction is increasingly being done online. In fact, research shows that 70% of US households now use the internet when shopping locally for products and services. And 54% of Americans have completely substituted the internet and local search for phone books. And amazingly, the web accounted for or influenced 42% of all local retail sales in 2009. Now, all of this really goes to explain the transformational shift that's underway in local marketing and why it's fast approaching this tipping point where digital media will soon be the dominant segment of the local advertising marketplace. The question national brands need to ask themselves is, how does my brand and how does my product fit into this new landscape? The local web is the name for the integrated, growing ecosystem of online media channels that collectively drive local online marketing. As you can see, the center of the local web is local websites, and these serve as the centerpiece for all other local marketing tactics, both offline and on. They serve as the centralized landing pages through which all of the other tactics can be driven, tracked, and measured. To engage in the local web, it's critical that national brands establish these co-branded local websites with content shared between themselves and the local outlet to drive local relevance and ensure your products and your dealers can be found by potential customers locally. Once established, these local websites then serve as the hub for all other local marketing activities, including local search, social media, mobile, and location-based marketing. Balihoo believes that the local web is the linchpin to effective local marketing, and that effective local marketing represents the single largest opportunity for national brands to drive top-line revenue growth and reach consumers at the point where they're making final preference and purchase decisions. National brand marketers who want to increase revenues and extend their brand closer to the point of purchase decision should take a serious look at how they can increase their performance in the local web and close that gap on the last mile of their marketing. To learn more about the importance of the local web or to see exciting new technology that lets national brands capture its power, visit us at balihoo.com.